How to fix American Truck Simulator crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library and right click on the game, open up properties, and then go to the installed files. Click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process as it might take a while. Now once this is done, click on the browse button and find the game's exe file, right click on it and open up the properties window. And then in compatibility tab, check disable full screen optimizations and run this program as admin. Click on apply and OK. Now you want to go to the general tab in Steam and under launch options you want to type -dx11, then close out of this window. Now you want to close Steam and open your GPU application. So for NVIDIA, it's NVIDIA app. Then you want to check for latest updates and make sure to download and install GeForce Game Ready driver. And once you do that, you should restart your system and simply launch Steam as administrator by right clicking on Steam and click on run as admin. And then you should simply launch the game again, and that should fix the crashing issues. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.